Hello everybody, my name is Alex, Senior Account Executive at GDMFX. This is today's European Session Outlook. We'll start with the North American markets. After yesterday's session, the US dollar is on track to post first weekly gain against the euro after 5 weeks of losses. The main focus from yesterday's session was the FOMC Minutes. It was noted that chances of a rate hike in June appear slim after the publication came out. They do, however, expect economic growth and consumer spending to return to a moderate pace over the rest of this year after we had a sluggish first quarter. The Dixie, it remained at nearly the same level as yesterday. Today's today will be awaiting the initial and continuing jobless claims from the USA. No major news from Canada. The S&P 500 index had a range of 17 points. It's at 2119 now. The biggest mover yesterday was the USD JPY. It went up by 6 points. Alright, now we move on to the EU markets. The DAX went 20 points down. The CAC 40 went 25 points up. Yesterday we had a statement from the European Commission and the ECB and International Monetary Fund on Cyprus. The goal is to review Cyprus' economic reform program. The staff level agreement has been reached on policies that could serve as a basis for completion of the review. Today we have quite a few important events, and they are as follows. The ECB monetary policy meeting accounts, the German, French, and European Union market services PMI, Mario Draghi's speech, and we also have the EU consumer confidence today. On to the UK markets. First, we have the Bank of England interest rate vote, which was yesterday. It came out 9 versus 0 in favor of not changing the interest rate. The Bank of England minutes yesterday were a bit more hawkish than anticipated, which halted the pound's decline against the dollar. Policy members said that they believe that the slack in the economy will be picked up towards the year's end, and from there on, inflation will gradually start moving upwards towards the 2% target. As usual, two MPC's decision to keep interest rates low was finely balanced. As a result of the minutes, the pound gained 0.2% against the dollar and 0.7% against the euro. Today, we'll be expecting the retail sales, and also Mark Carney will be holding a speech tomorrow. The biggest mover was the GBP New Zealand dollar. It went 21 points up. The Asian markets, yesterday's events were mainly the coincident index in March, or for March, 1.7% negative. Leading economic index for March, 0.7% positive. The foreign investment in Japan stocks for May 15th was 115.9 billion positive. The foreign bond investments for May 15th were 704.5 billion positive. Tomorrow, we'll be anticipating the Bank of Japan monetary policy statement, the press conference, and also the Governor Kuroda's speech. For commodities, the commercial crude stockpiles fell by 2.7 million barrels for the week ending May 15th. It was above estimates of 2.1 million draw. Crude stockpiles nationwide are now at 482.2 million barrels, according to the EIA. That is the highest level at this time of year in at least 80 years. Gold ended at its lowest level in a week. The gold had a range of almost $10, trading at 1,210 now. Silver had a range of 34 cents at 17.18 now. Crude oil had a $1 range at 59.30 now. Natural gas is trading at $2.91 at the moment. had a range of 13 cents. The EIA natural gas storage change is also something we're expecting for today. All right, everybody, thank you for your attention. Again, my name is Alex, Senior Account Executive at GDMFX. Until next time, bye-bye.